Normally, I don't have a potty mouth, but today that's all you're hearing. So sit tight if you can. I'm gonna get changed and let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Welcome back to the Do Good Project. I'm Michelle, and here we build things and fix things for our friends, our family, and ourselves sometimes too. And today I'm at Adolph's house and we are going to replace his toilet. Sometimes your crapper really does crap out. So before you begin, make sure you have a wax ring, some towels, some wrenches, hardware, and not to mention your replacement. So let's get to it. First of all, do not forget to turn your water off. After the water's off, drain the toilet tank. And then any excess water can be absorbed by extra towels. To get most of the remaining water out of the bowl, oddly enough, just add water. Yes. Remove the bolts that fasten the tank to the bowl and take your tank off. You can use a flat edge to remove the bolt cover and then go ahead and remove the bolts on either side so you can take your toilet bowl out. Before trying to lift your toilet up, make sure it is not caught to your tile. Grab yourself a pair of gloves and clean off the excess wax. Now is also a good time to clean up any remaining caulk. Take your wax ring and place it over the toilet bowl itself. And then we'll flip it over and put it on top of our flange. Don't forget, when putting your toilet back on, your bolts need to clear so that you can tighten the base. Fasten the toilet base back to the floor. Once you have your toilet bowl fastened to the floor, attach your tank. Go ahead and reconnect your water supply, but depending on the type of tank you have, you might need a different length. It never hurts to put some Teflon tape to prevent your leaks. Go ahead and get your toilet seat back on. Connect your water fill and then just add water. Well, it looks like we have a flush. But remember, whether you build things or bake things, people need you. So go out and do good.